Edlin from Oriental Rug Care. Well, I'm here with Miss Edlin, and she's doing her wonderful weave. It's almost like a French, what do you call it? A French braid?
Yeah, like a overkiss knot.
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, to make it look
detail that she
natural.
does. A lot of work, but the customer wanted to save some money. The vacuum once again got to the rug and created a big hole like in here. So she removed a bunch of the ends, and that's why it's the red color, because that was from the original red wool. So it's a wool on wool rug, and to remove the back to save the customer money, so they didn't have to go through the expensive repair. And now she's going to make this as the fringe, and the guys in the back are going to remove the red color, and the customer's going to have absolutely beautiful restored rug. Look at that. So much detail, but it's so worth it. Look at that. Call Oriental Rug Care today. We'd love to earn your business. colonialfloorcare.com. No, orientalrugcare.com. orientalrugcare.com.